Good morning, everybody. It's tataricus back in the garden. Actually, I'm in the garden of the Niagara School of Horticulture in Niagara Falls, Ontario. And I just want to show you some cool plants. It's getting fall, definitely into fall. And this is a lovely aster. This is an aster called Aster tataricus, or the Tatarian aster. And it's one called Jindai. It's just a cultivar, a little shorter, although it's certainly not short. It's at least waist to, waist to chest high. But it's lovely. You can see that many of the flowers are yet to open. Many are now opening, and I just love this plant. So it's an easy plant to grow. It's an aster, flowers in the fall, and Aster tataricus Jindai.